The title of our project is Driver's Health Monitoring System. My name is Bharat and my roll number is 66K1. My role in this project is designing the project.
Myself Ganesh, my roll number is 66H0. My role in this project is project manager.
My name is Sai Gautam, my roll number is 66J9. My role in this project is design and connections.
My name is Abhishek Singh and my roll number is 66H4. My role in this project is circuits and connections.
Myself Kinkana, my roll number is 66B4. My role in this project is coding and tracking.
Myself Pranika, my roll number is 66J4. My role in this project is coding.
Faculty members are Suresh Ram sir, CHOD, Mahesh Babu sir, Assistant Professor, Sirisha ma'am, Assistant Professor, Basant Rao sir, Assistant Professor. Coming to the main motive of this project is accident caused by improper health condition of the driver are significant and issue that can have severe consequences for many members. The physical health condition of driver impacts the ability to operate the vehicle safely. To overcome this problem, we have innovated a device where it is installed in the steering. It is having a sensor which senses the blood pressure of the driver and stops the car accordingly.
So I'm going to explain how our device is going to work and where it would be placed in a car. So the device is going to be fixed inside the steering wheel of the car, and whenever the driver comes in contact with the steering wheel, it starts detecting his blood pressure, oxygen levels and pulse of the driver. So the sensed values or the values which are recorded will be sent to the system, and in the system there are already preloaded data of a normal blood pressure and the person who is unstable or the person who has consumed alcohol. So based on the preloaded data and the data which has been taken, it detects whether the person is stable to drive the car or not and gives out his health condition. And if the driver is not stable or the driver condition is not well to drive the car, then the car comes to the stop.
The existing solutions for this project are smartwatches and sphygmomanometer, where the smartwatches are not getting in affordable prices. They are they are in huge prices, and everyone can't be wear. So that's why it is also an extra gadget to wear. The another one is a sphygmomanometer, where the sphygmomanometer is to measure blood pressure of a human being. So it can't be taken far away, and also it can't be sense and stop the car. Thank you.
The components required in this project are UNO Arduino, breadboard, and pulse rate meter, jumping wires and breadboard. UNO Arduino is a microcontroller. It takes inputs from the power supply and gives output from the executed program. And pulse oximeter measures the pulse rate of the human being.
I have designed the circuit of the project. The main components used in the project are pulse rate detection sensor, OLED screen and Arduino. These are connected to jumper wires and breadboard. The whole circuit will be placed inside the car system, and this pulse rate sensor will be placed inside the car steering, so the person driving the car will be in contact with the sensor. And when the sensor detects any abnormalities in the person driving the car, the blood pressure of the person driving the car, it sends to the system and asks the system to stop the car.
I'm going to explain about the working of the code of the project. The input is taken from the sensor. For every time interval, average reading is calculated. If the average reading is within the range of the normal heartbeat range, then no output is shown. Just the heartbeat readings are shown. If the average reading is not within the range we provided, then the message saying stop the car is printed on the OLED screen. This is how the code works, and the code is written in C language.